Hello everyone. Very quickly in this video I'll be sharing with you this very yummy meal replacement breakfast smoothie that will boost your metabolism, help you crush down fats, most especially your belly fat. As you can see, this is me. My belly is really down because of recipes like this that will help boost your metabolism if you start your day with it. Yeah, so the first ingredient for this recipe will be either one large orange or tangerine. So I just like varieties, so today I'll be going for tangerines. So these three tangerines are equal to one orange. These are almost the same, but just that they have two different flavors, loaded with a lot of vitamin C. They contain those good acids to help burn bad acids in your system, help your system to easily metabolize, flush out waste toxins. Like this activates your system to boost, to break down fats, and so nothing stores up causing belly fat and weight gain. Like having this for breakfast, I'll get to that. Like this recipe just keeps your belly always down. You will never gain belly fat if you replace your pizzas in the morning with this recipe. So this is my three tangerines equal to one large orange if you're using an orange. And yeah, this is the first ingredient set aside. The second ingredient will be either one mango or half a pineapple. So I eat a lot of pineapples, and there are days I feel like I want to eat something else. So I love me some mangoes, and I go for mangoes because they are equally loaded with the vitamin C, E and A. Vitamin A is very good because it protects your skin cells from oxidative stress. That way your skin doesn't flap or wrinkle, age fast. Plus the vitamin C in mangoes helps to boost collagen, plus the vitamin E. Like this is really very good. Mangoes contain a little bit of all those vitamins and minerals for good skin, to boost your metabolism because of the vitamin C in here. And like, yeah, this is a very good substitute for pineapple. If you've had so many of my recipes with pineapple, you want to substitute with mango. Plus it makes this taste so yummy. Like your breakfast will be so yummiest. So you want to peel your mango, slice into some good little sizes that can get into your blender, and you just set aside. And this is the second ingredient. So one mango or half a pineapple will be just fine for this recipe. So yeah, the next ingredient I'll be adding will be lemon. Yes, we are talking of something to boost your metabolism. We want to activate our system. You want to start your day with something that will help your system break down food store up or build up in your system, something that will activate your system and even boost your immunity. A lot of goodness is found in lemons. They equally help you flush out bad acids causing bloating and constipation. Like this is very good to lower cholesterol levels and like help you metabolize. Like if you're scared of a little bit of sugar from the mango, this neutralizes everything too as well. So this is a careful combination to nourish you while boosting your metabolism and helping you burn that stubborn belly fat, that food stored up, making your belly always look bloated and big, and everything goes down, and before you know it, you start maintaining a very flat belly without belly fat, stay in shape and healthy. Yeah, so this is it. Take out the seeds and voila, that is the third ingredient. So I love me some berries. So it's either strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, whichever berries you can alternate. You can use just one of the berries if you don't have both of them. I just have two, so I just want a variety to bring in different flavors and and color to my smoothie and benefits. Even though berries, they almost have the same benefits, they are equally fat burning, most importantly loaded with antioxidants. So as you have this for breakfast, you get out in the environmental free radicals from the community. This protect your skin cells. Antioxidants from these fruits protect your skin cells from damaging. That way, you see, you always have that firm, youthful skin. Plus these are very fat burning. Berries are they help boost your metabolism, and you want to wash them thoroughly with vinegar and water before you consume them, so you don't put in bacteria in your system. So the next thing you want to do is put your ingredients in your blender. I start with the ones that are a little bit hard, and the hardest ingredient here is my mango, so it blends really smooth. I like my smoothies really smooth, and Yeah, so, and if you notice, I like to put some citrus fruits to produce water for me, because I don't like adding pure water in my smoothies. And the juice from my one lemon plus the juice from the tangerines or orange will automatically give you some water in here. Plus I add in some ice cubes to have it chilly. Like, I don't like it flat. When you add some ice cubes, this tastes heavenly, like ice cream. Like, having this for breakfast is like nourishing your system, helping to boost your metabolism, loading up on nutrients, boosting your collagen levels. Like, before I get into that, let's see this first. So you want to make sure you blend till you get a very smooth ice creamy a kind of consistency. That is when you know your smoothie is okay. And you serve, as I mentioned earlier, just a glass for breakfast or a cup is fine. You can share with whoever, or if you are alone, you can have the order for dinner at bedtime. If you don't feel like cooking, you can have the order for dinner. But if you're two, you can share with the next person. And trust me, these recipes, you don't want to start your day with pizzas, burgers, rice, like I used to do before. I would start my day with rice and I was so big. You want to start your day with healthy recipes like this. Trust me, when you start, it gets difficult at the beginning, but once you do it over and over and over, you get used to. Before you know it, you start eating like this and you end up with a very beautiful skin tone. You will have your skin pores looking so fresh. It will load you up on collagen and you have a very beautiful looking skin as well. Plus boost your metabolism. Most importantly, recipes like this have helped me maintain a healthy body size without belly fat. And trust me, if you watched my live video of yesterday, as I mentioned, you want to be proactive than reactive. I realized most of these health issues are due to the kinds of foods we eat. Starting your day with a heavy food makes your system so lazy. You just feel sluggish and just like you are so weak early in the morning. You load up with some calories that your system cannot break down. That is how you end with belly fat, arm fat. You end up so big like I used to be before. But starting your day with a healthy recipe like this to boost your metabolism will help you burn fats, load your system up with nutrients, most especially if you're someone from 25 and above. These are the kinds of things you want to be consuming to help boost your collagen levels, because as you age, everything slows down. You need to start replenishing to maintain that youthful healthiness to your skin, and equally to maintain a healthy body size. A girl of 16 will have a flat tummy, but trust me, she can eat anything and she will maintain that flat tummy. Once you start from 25 and above, everything slows down. That is how you see most women from 30, let me just say 35 and above. You start to see them with chunky bellies because your system is not as active like you were much younger. Yeah, so share this recipe with your family and friends so we can all maintain healthy body size without belly fat. And if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, please feel free to do so now so you don't miss any of my uploads and you get to watch them on time as well. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye. A bonjour.